Polyester. Imported. Children's travel bed. For use with children 6 months to 3 years old. Lightweight mesh. Great for airflow and as an insect screen. Anchor straps. Micro-Lite sleeping pad comes pre-assembled and ready to use. The KidCo Peapod is a lightweight indoor-outdoor travel bed for children 6 months to 3 years of age. Great for camping, picnics and all your outdoor travels. Lightweight at just 3 pounds, the Peapod unfolds and is ready to use for your little one's nap time during your outdoor adventures. Perfect take-along for sleepovers and hotel travel. Whether your adventures include the great outdoors, or a weekend at home, your little one will sleep comfortable in their Peapod from KidCo. Top reviews from the United States. My new favorite purchase and my go-to recommendation to my friends now. We had a big trip that involved visiting a lot of places and staying with a lot of people, who did not have cribs, and we did not want to lug a pack and play with us. I was so pleased to find this. It's so light and I was even able to squeeze it into a backpack. The tent is surprisingly big, as well, so my little one had plenty of space. She slept in it for nights and every nap for 2 weeks. I think she liked it better than the crib. The padding is pretty thin but babies don't actually need that much. I didn't find it difficult to fold up at all after we had done it once. I also liked that the bottom few inches around the whole tent were mesh, so I wasn't worried about my baby crawling face first into the corner or anything. It's a bit short for using while awake. My tall 9mo could just barely sit up inside, but she still liked playing in it. The lip of the opening flap kept toys from rolling out, but was short enough that my baby could crawl in and out on her own if need be.